A very good morning to all of you. Dear class ninth, today we are going to start our next chapter from our geo part. That is chapter number 1, India, size and location. Basically, India is one of the ancient civilization in the world. It has achieved multi-phased socio-economic progress during the last 5 decades. So let's study about this chapter, that what is basically India's size and location. So this is a picture of a India. See here, our India country is a very famous country which consists of the various type of societies, cultures, fashion, trends, etc. So here is the India size and location. India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. It has moved forward, displaying remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry, technology and overall economic development. Here in India, the GDP ratio is also very good. That's why India has also a significant contribution in all over the world. See, this picture shows the culture of India. See, in our Indian culture, there are various type of functions, trends, fashions, festivals are celebrated. So in this chapter, we will be going to learn about that. What is India's location, its size, India and the world and its neighborhood countries. So let's start with our first one, that is the location. India is a very vast country. It lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. So here the mainland extends between latitudes and longitudes. So class, here I can use two words, latitudes and longitudes. If I can talk about the latitude, here latitude is the line of latitudes that run in an east-west direction across the earth. If we can talk about the longitude, it can run or cover north-south direction. So in southeast Andaman and Nicobar, island lie in the Bay of Bengal. If we can talk about the southwest, here it includes Lakshadweep Islands that lie in an Arabian Sea. So here the land mass of India has an area of about 3.28 kilometer square meter. Here India has 2.4% of total land area of the world, and it is so wonder that India is having the 7th largest country of the world, which has a boundary of about 1502 kilometers, which includes Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep. So this is all about your location. Now, if we can talk about India's neighbors, it can include various type of countries like Pakistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Maldives, etc. So these are all called the neighboring countries of our Indian country. So here this is the map of whole world. See here India in the world. So red color picture shows the India country in all over the world map. So the total area of India is about 3.28 million square kilometer, and which is having a 2% of the total area of the world. So this is the extent and standard meridian. If we can talk about the meridian, so a meridian is an imaginary line between north and south pole, and which can be drawn on maps to help to show position of a place. See here in this map there is an meridian line. So it is also called an imaginary line, which can shows the difference between north and a south pole. If we can talk about the size, so the land mass of India has around area of 3.28 million square kilometer, and India has the total land accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area. So India is bounded by the Young Fold Mountains in the northwest, north, and northeast. If we can talk about the south area, it is having 22 north latitude and it can begins to taper and extends towards the Indian Ocean, and it can divide it into two main seas. First one is the Arabian Sea on the west and second one is the Bay of Bengal on its east. See, here is a latitudinal and longitudinal extents. So, the latitudinal and longitudinal extents of the mainland is about 30 degrees. So, India is having a east-west extent which appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. If we can talk about the standard Mediterranean, so it can passes through Bizapur in UP and it is taken as the Indian Standard Time for the whole country. So class, this is all about your chapter which includes the location and size of our Indian country. Thank you. Have a nice day.